from Young, Smart, and Fabulous. And if you don't know me, my name is Alexandria Greenwood, or Alex. And I am a mom, a divorcee, a single woman, and an entrepreneur with multiple businesses. In my YouTube channel, we go over everything that's young, smart, fabulous, and what to do in today's world as a successful woman. Today, I'm gonna do an unboxing of a couple of my favorite things. I'm a girl that's from LA, so I can do tennis shoes, Chloe, designer, shoes, heels, whatever. I'm a girl that loves fashion, and it's all a part about being that young, smart, and fabulous woman that I am. So, the first thing we are going to unbox is Chloe. All right, so with this Chloe purchase, if you know about me at all, I manifested my life and I've become very successful at it. So this year I decided I was going on vacation every month. So this Chloe purchase is all about vacation and I'm super excited. Let's see. You know, so many times Black women are kind of demonized when it comes to luxury purchases. Like, we don't make successful decisions, or we don't have the money to do it. We got it from bad things. So I'm all about luxury, and I'm all about buying things that you love. If I don't love it, I don't buy it. Okay, so when I saw this visor, if you know me, I've been wearing visors since the 80s. Chloe is one of my favorite brands. It's 70s chic for me, but this is just very much Mexico a vibe. And so I really wanted to kind of get in on that wicker feel. So this bag I've been wanting for a while. It was sold out. My sales associate at Chloe found it for me. It has the Chloe detail. Each of these bags, they have one little leather pull, but also was hand woven by a special woman in a foreign country, but it's mostly a donation. So the women make these and they donate the proceeds of the bags. I love it. It's a crossbody. It's super cute. Cannot wait. And like I told you guys, I'm a girl and I'm from LA. We love tennis shoes. I came from the hood, okay? So we definitely know our sneakers and we invest in our sneakers. I'm a Yeezy girl, hands down. I love Kanye West. And so these I had to get. And I swear I overslept when they came out, so I wasn't able to get them. So I had to order them on StockX. Desert Boot. They're the best color ever! So again, I ordered these on StockX. I'm not ashamed. I went for them. Look how cute these are. Must have. Super excited. Cannot wait to rock. Check my Instagram. It will happen soon. But I love these. They're super cool, super cute. Gotta have. Sometimes you just gotta order them. Sometimes aftermarket is not so bad. It's worth it. These Bloomingdales, if you don't know, medium brown bag is Bloomingdales. I love Bloomingdales. My grandmother used to live in New York. She used to buy from Bloomies, Neiman's, and Bergdorf's. Favorite, okay? Love it. Bloomies, Barney's, Bergdorf's. We do like Neiman's, but Bloomies, Barney's, Bergdorf's. The 3 B's. Gotta have them. Barney's is closed, so we'll take Saks. But anywho, I've been wanting these Saint Laurent heels for so long. I couldn't find them in my size. Definitely have big feet, but Bloomingdale's had them. I'm super excited I was able to get them. Oh my God. Look at these. I cannot wait to wear them. Even if you just wear a white dress shirt and jeans, add this, add a cute red bag, add a cute yellow bag, cute, teal bag. Amazing. So cute. And I'm always going to be the girl that wants a strap around her ankle. To me, that keeps you secure and allows you to move freely. These shoes are so good. These were about $900, but I've been looking for them. They're worth it. And I don't always buy heels, so it has to be something that's comfortable, that I can rock, and that I'll love. So if you guys want to see more unboxing, let me know. Let me know what's your style. I get tennis shoes all the time, so if that's more your style, let me know. We can do some tennis shoe unboxings, or we can look and see the collection, because I have so many. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't. Again, my name is Alex from Young, Smart, and Fabulous, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.